Please, I just want to see my children. And all I am interested in right now is more voice to join to my voice. It's not a crime. I just want to see my children. Okay, they should present them somewhere so I can physically assess them and be at rest that my kids are fine. That's all I'm asking for. Let me see my kids at least. It's over a year. I have trying to behave myself, trying to package myself. No mother will keep packaging herself. All I'm asking for is to see my kids. That's all.
Hello everyone, good day all everyone. Well, I saw this video on social media. I saw it on Instagram, I saw it on Facebook too, and you could see that Precious Chikwendo, the ex-wife of the former aviation minister Femi Fani-Kayode, she's crying profusely just for her to see her kids. Recall that last year, if I'm not mistaken, she separated from her husband, now ex-husband Femi Fani-Kayode, and since last year that she separated from her husband, according to her revelation, she says she has not seen her kids, let alone touching them or even coming close to them. Now she's crying, not that she's crying for her to maybe take custody of her kids or maybe to start staying with her kids, but she just said that she wants to see them. I mean, even without court order or any court proceeding, I think when a man and a woman, when couples separate, it's the woman that takes custody of the kids, and these kids are quite young. They are quite young. So I wonder how the husband, Mr. Femi Fani-Kayode, they will take custody of the kids and employ nannies to be taking. There's no way a nanny will take care of these kids better than the mother, better than Precious Chikwendo or Snow White, as her IG name is. So, and she's calling on everyone to help lend the voice, to tell whosoever that is concerned, probably to tell her ex-husband to let her see her kids, because I know it just depends on Femi Fani-Kayode. If FFK decides to let her, give her the opportunity to see her kids, she will definitely see her kids. I mean, where is it done? She needs to see her kid, and she's alleging that one of her kids have been injured. She needs to assess them to see how good they are and how they are faring. She's not a stranger. She's the mother of these kids, and she carried them for 9 months. She gave birth to them. Last week, she alleged that her ex-husband Femi Fani-Kayode did not consummate the marriage. That's in court. That's not what I'm going to talk about now, because this one is a heavy claim. It's not what I'm going to discuss in this channel. But what I'm interested at this moment is that she should be given the opportunities to see her kids. That's legal. That's her right. Her right to see her kids. Her right. She said that she has got a court order to have access to her kids, to see her kids and to see how they are doing. Even this December, this Christmas, she has got court order also to spend time, not just seeing them, to spend the Christmas with them. But based on what she has been revealing online, because when it has to do with issues that concerns couples, you need to listen to both sides of the story. Yes, she's saying this and that, and the lawyer of her ex-husband FFK is not allowing her to see the kids. In fact, God has granted her the permission to spend the Christmas with her kids this December, this Christmas. But she said the lawyer of her ex-husband went to go and appeal so that she will not be able to have access to her kids. What kind of lawyer is that? What kind of lawyer is that? I don't know if it is the welfare that has given giving her ex-husband FFK the right to only take custody of the kid, because I know that even going to welfare, because I know this issue will be handled by the welfare. So why is it difficult? Why is it why is it a crime as it seems now? Why is it a crime for her to have access to her kids? Why is it a crime for her to at least see her kids? These are kids. it's so strange what is actually going on in this our country called Nigeria. She needs to have access to her kids. That's her right. She's the mother. She carried them for 9 months, and for 1 year, she said for 1 year she has not seen her kids. Which mother will be comfortable? Which mother in this whole world will be comfortable, for not seeing her kid for 1 year, even 2 months, 3 months, 6 months? But this one, let alone 1 year. That's why she's crying. She wants everyone to lend a voice, celebrities, politicians, everyone that can help her out. And that's why I'm also bringing it up on this channel, to help, if it is to beg her husband, or if it is to meet the concerned authorities, let her have access to her kids. She says she wants to access them. That's why it's not a crime. She needs to see them, and she needs to spend time with them. She's not going to kill them. If FFK is afraid, maybe she's going to she can't do that. It's not even in the nature of mothers, mostly where she's from. Igbo mothers, they don't do that. Hausa mothers, Yoruba mothers, they don't do that. So and it's not even a Nigerian thing. We have heard of such thing, maybe couple who separated and the mother killing the babies to punish the husband. It's not an African thing, it's not a Nigerian thing. So she needs to have access to her kids, and I believe this will get to so many people who will watch this video and listen to this voice note, and also help in telling. Of course, I think the person we need to talk to, that needs to listen to this, is the husband, because he has the right to allow Precious Chikwendo, her ex-wife, the access to see her kids. Thank you, guys.